translate for me. What I'm doing is making a pile of snow very close to the hole. Then I have a place where I can put the cooking. Okay, we'll start with this.
哦，真的哎，真的用做桶子哎。
Or
直接丢旁边了，反正就是要把它冰起来。
然后瓦冰。哦。
We need to take all the ice out from the hole, and then we need to clean it all the way around like this. But we want the pile of snow close here.
Okay.
Somebody you want to translate? It was a nice round hole. With no sharp edges.
Come on.
Your dipper sometimes gets iced up where it doesn't work. Then you look for a hard place and hit it like that, and the ice will pop off.
Okay.
Not like this, it will break the dipper.
Okay.
Only hit it here. And Sunday we got a very big rainbow right here behind me. A nice big rainbow trout. Okay, and then when you think you have all the ice out, then take the dipper and go like this.
Okay.
More ice will come up that's sticking around the sides.
Okay.
Well, this time it looks like not too much coming. Everybody has a dipper. As you fish, you want it every once in a while. You want to clean the hole too. We have several different kinds of hooks. The rainbow trout, when they bite like this. So if you put a big food, you won't catch them.
No, so
You put a small, then they get the hook. Right now I'm looking for the bottom of the lake.
How can we know it?
Everybody understand? Bottom?
Yep.
But how can we know if it's reached the
now
bottom?
you see, look at the line. It's crooked.
先会被它拉
See
直。
that? Now it's straight.
Yeah.
There it's crooked, so I know it's on the. At that point, it's on the bottom.
吃到的时候先就会被拉口，已经到。
So right there, it's on the bottom, and there it's off. This pole has the hook right on the bottom. Some poles have the hook down below the weight, so we got to adjust for that. But this one is right on the bottom. We're going to come up 1, 2, 3 times. And person fishes here, you want to sit, point one leg right at the hole, line it up, lay the pole on here, and hold it completely still when you stop. If you hold it like this, you won't see the fish bite, or if you hold it like this, you won't see the fish bite. But if you hold it tight on your leg, then you can see any little movement. So then you can take it, move it maybe three, 4 times like this, and as you go, follow the line down with your pole. Don't drop it down. Huh? You just want to follow down like that. And then stop. When you stop, watch for 1 minute. See if anything moves there. If you see any movement, sometimes you're going to see this. Sometimes you're going to see this. Or sometimes you're just going to see the line start working its way across. If you see any of those things, with your elbow, set the hook like that. Oops, sorry about that.
No.
Lost the bait doing that. The point is, when you set the hook, you want to do it hard. You see the hook have the little point on it. And it works like this. This is the fish's mouth, this is the hook. If you pull up slowly, he can come off. But in the beginning, if you pull hard, then he can't come off. Then you can pull him up slowly. There's a little bit of bait in these buckets, and I'm going to go in and cut some more bait. Now see, this one has some bait in the bottom too, but you have to thaw the shrimp we're using, and you have to thaw it out before you put it on the hook, or it will break when you put the hook through it, and it falls off easy for the fish. Some of these hooks have a little point on the back side. If you push the bait all the way up, it will stay better on the hook. Like that. But see, this one broke because it's still frozen. Do it again. That's a good size to catch the fish. You see, he doesn't have much room. If I got a big bait, he's going to eat all around it. And then if you take a break for any reason, you need to put your pole in the ice in this spot. Don't make another spot. Use this spot because the line is hanging away from the side. If you have it laying against the side and you go away for a lunch or something, then it line broke. Did you see that?
钩子被吃走了。
Scheiße.
这么厉害？
我都完全没有看到。
那大鱼喽？
这是熬下去啊，有拉下去
我，没看到哎。
整个钩子都咬走了。
好厉害，那一只大。
It's a big fish.
Yeah. Sometimes the lines get knots in them, and if you look at this, I'm sure you'll see right where it broke. Somebody had a knot. It's the end of it. See how it's curled on the end there? Okay, I'm still looking for the bottom with this one. Oop.
这么好钓吗？
钓一只给我们看吧。这样，
这个示范也太厉害了吧！
先钓一只
Oh,
2斤。
he's biting. Here.
Oh.
Here. Hold it. Don't pull it. I'll tell you when to pull.
Not
Wait.
Wait.
Mate. Oh, no. Wait.
Wait.
等它再拉。
妈的！
可以，它是
Wait.
有感觉吗？
Okay, pull.
那个线
那个
When you pull, use
你要
your
大力
elbow.
啦！
Oh.
You give him a chance to get a free lunch.
啊，
Okay, he's still on
哦，他没有咬到。
这饵还在啊，
我还没钓过鱼。
是那个没有 lock 住吧？
there. Now we got
对啊，整个就溜会溜下去。
你要把线拉，
try to keep the
他刚刚就没有
line out
lock
from
住
the
它
back
啊
of this, 'cause it's a real pain in the butt.
插鼻混，插鼻混。因为它不像我们丢那一种一样，线会自己把它卡住。
所以他一拉，所有线就往下
对
啊。所以不是你的错。这种比较难用，应该用它一开始那一种
就。是前打的那个，
没有，就第一根那种钓竿比较好用。
对啊，因为线是不会被往下拉的。
嗯，
它其实不能哎。
我那
等一下
都脱了
坐着都。不动就会冷了，
等一下都不动。
等一下坐着那边拉就会冷。
来，不然大家看这里。红色树有一个这个这个，好。
Sometimes when you pull it up, it gets hooked on the edge of the ice. So if it stops when you're pulling it up like that, you want to just let it relax and get it away from the edge of the ice.
好像有点难。
对呀。
对啊
你，就先放下去插着，等它再咬的时候
对
拉起来。
插的是你要离开的时候了。他
你不想
说你要一直
对啊
放在腿上。
那你不想走
休息的时候
Okay,
才
I'm putting this
有啊
on
它这
here
样就把它
so
卡着了，
对啊
它就不
you
会。
don't
不会跑了。
change this thing. Just use it. It's the right depth now, I think,
又有了。
for the fish. It's a good depth. And if you leave the hole here, just leave the pole like that.
就不会被拉着跑。
Okay, so somebody can
我觉得
take
还是
that one.
会耶。
会跑比较慢，其实跑不会多久，我觉得。
好了。